Have you ever wondered what our world will look like in just a few short years? Say, by 2030? It might sound far off, but it's closer than we think, and one force is set to reshape almost every aspect of our lives by then. Artificial intelligence. We're not talking about science fiction robots from movies. We're talking about real, tangible changes that are already starting to happen. So, buckle up, because today we're retaking a deep dive into the future of AI and how it will transform your daily life, your job, and our society by the year 2030. This isn't just a tech forecast. It's a glimpse into your own future. Let's start with something we all do every single day. Living in our homes. By 2030, the concept of a smart home will be completely redefined. Imagine waking up not to a blaring alarm, but to your smart home, gently adjusting the lighting, starting your coffee maker, and setting the perfect shower temperature, all based on your sleep cycle data. Your AI assistant won't just play a song you ask for. It will anticipate your mood. It'll know you had a stressful day at work and will curate a calming playlist, suggest a simple recipe for dinner based on the ingredients you have, and even pre-order groceries that you're running low on. It's like having a personal assistant who knows you better than you know yourself. This hyper-personalization extends everywhere. Your fridge will track food expiration dates and suggest meals to reduce waste. Your home's energy system will optimize power usage based on weather forecasts and your family's schedule, saving you money and helping the planet. It's a future of seamless convenience, where our living spaces actively work to make our lives easier and more efficient. Now, let's talk about healthcare. This is where AI's impact could be truly life-changing. By 2030, personalized medicine will be the norm, not the exception. Wearable devices, far more advanced than today's fitness trackers, will continuously monitor our vital signs in real time. An AI system will analyze this constant stream of data, detecting subtle anomalies that could signal the onset of a disease long before any symptoms appear. Think about it. Getting a notification on your phone that says, "Your heart rhythm shows a minor irregularity. We've scheduled a consultation with a cardiologist for you tomorrow." This proactive approach will shift healthcare from treatment to prevention. Doctors will be empowered with AI tools that can analyze medical scans like Mr. Is and X-rays with superhuman accuracy, spotting tumors or other issues that the human eye might miss. AI will also accelerate drug discovery, simulating thousands of molecular combinations to find new cures for diseases that plague us today. Your treatment plan will no longer be one system. It will be tailored specifically to your genetic makeup and lifestyle, making it drastically more effective. Next up is transportation. Get ready to say goodbye to traffic jams and stressful commutes. By 2030, self-driving cars will be a common sight on our roads, especially in designated zones within major cities. Your morning commute could transform from a chore into productive time. You could catch up on emails, read a book, or even take a nap while your car navigates the roads with precision and safety. AI algorithms will manage traffic flow in real time, rerouting vehicles to prevent congestion before it even starts. This won't just make our journeys faster. It will make them incredibly safer. The vast majority of accidents are caused by human error, and autonomous vehicles promise to nearly eliminate that risk. Public transport will also get a massive upgrade, with on-demand autonomous shuttles that can be hailed like a ride-sharing service, providing efficient and accessible transportation for everyone, including the elderly and people with disabilities. The entire logistics and delivery network will be revolutionized, with autonomous trucks and drones ensuring that your packages arrive faster and more reliably than ever before. Okay, let's address the big question, the one that's on everyone's mind. What about our jobs? There's a lot of fear around AI taking over, but the reality is more nuanced. It's not about replacement, but about transformation. Yes, many repetitive and data-driven tasks will be automated. Think data entry, basic customer service inquiries, and certain types of analysis. This will free up human workers to focus on what we do best: creativity, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and complex problems. By 2030, your job might involve collaborating with an AI partner. A graphic designer might use AI to generate hundreds of initial concepts in seconds, then use their artistic expertise to refine the best one. A financial analyst might use AI to crunch massive data, allowing them to focus on strategic insights and client relationships. Entirely new job categories will emerge, like AI ethicists, AI trainers, and automation maintenance specialists. The key will be adaptability and a commitment to lifelong learning. Education will shift to focus on teaching skills that complement AI rather than compete with it. So, while the job market will look different, it will be filled with new opportunities for those who are ready to evolve. And what about entertainment and creativity? Get ready for a world of immersive and personalized experiences. By 2030, the line between the digital and physical worlds will blur even further. AI will generate dynamic storylines in video games that adapt to your every choice, creating a unique narrative just for you. Movies could become interactive, allowing you to influence the plot. Music composition will be a collaborative process between artist and AI, leading to entirely new genres and sounds we can't even imagine today. AI-powered tools will democratize creativity, allowing anyone with an idea to create stunning visual art, write a story, or compose a song, regardless of their technical skill. Imagine describing a scene from your imagination, and an AI instantly generates a photorealistic image of it. This isn't about replacing human artists. It's about giving them more powerful paint. The future of art will be a fusion of human ingenuity and artificial intelligence, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Of course, this rapid advancement doesn't come without challenges. We will need to navigate serious questions about data privacy, algorithmic bias, and ethical guidelines. Who is responsible when a self-driving car makes a mistake? How do we ensure that the AI systems making decisions in healthcare or finance are fair and unbiased? These are not just technical problems. They are societal ones that will require thoughtful regulation and public discourse. As a society, we'll need to work together to build a framework that ensures AI is developed and deployed responsibly for the benefit of all humanity. The conversation about AI ethics is just as important as the development of the technology itself. By 2030, we will hopefully have made significant progress in establishing these crucial guardrails. So, when we look towards 2030, the picture that emerges is one of profound change. AI will be the invisible engine powering a more convenient, healthier, and efficient world. Our homes will anticipate our needs. Our doctors will prevent illnesses before they start, and our commutes will become effortless. The nature of work will shift, demanding new skills and creating new opportunities. Our creative potential will be unlocked in ways we're just beginning to explore. It's a future filled with incredible promise, but it's also a future that we have to actively shape. The choices we make today about how we develop, regulate, and integrate AI will determine whether we build a world that is more equitable, creative, and humane. The future isn't just something that happens to us. It's something we create together. What part of this AI-powered future are you most excited or concerned about? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching this deep dive into our AI future. If you found this fascinating and want to stay ahead of the curve on how technology is shaping our world, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video. Until next time, stay curious.